A closer look, Kabir. Kabir lived in the 15th to 16th century. He is considered to be the most powerful saint. A Muslim Julaha or weaver family raised him in or near the city of Benares or Varanasi. The wandering singers sang Kabir's verses called Sakhis and Paths and spread his ideas far and wide. Some of these later became part of the Guru Granth Sahib, Panchavani and Bijak. Kabir's vehement rejection of major religious traditions forms the basis of his teachings. Kabir forwarded the idea of one supreme and formless God. He preached that the only way to attain salvation was through bhakti or devotion. He openly criticized ritualistic worship of both Brahmanical Hinduism and Islam, the undue importance of the priestly class and caste system. He mostly composed his poetry in a dialect of spoken Hindi so that it could be understood by the masses. Sometimes his use of cryptic language made it difficult to follow. He was followed reverentially by both Hindus and Muslims.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.